Mark at the range today. A&A Gun Club. About to shoot out to between 100 and 200 yards. Might even shoot out to 50, possibly. Going off-roading now. He's got a beautiful Jeep though. He gave me this nice vest. Look at this. It's a shotgun vest. This thing's awesome. We're gonna go set our targets up. See how muddy this place is. That's why I wore these boots.
I actually have some old shoes in the car.
Oh man, I almost did, buddy. I was really considering it. Like, man, I should just go ahead and... But then I was like, you know what? It's been raining a lot. Obviously, we're gonna have to walk out here.
Yeah, I don't even know if I'm gonna fucking hit the cardboard at 100 yards because the way, you know, I was sighted in at.
Well, it's all right. We'll still be able to figure it out. I'm sure we'll see the splash. That way we can just adjust from there. Which is awesome. We'll just set up right next door to the 100. It's about 100 yards.
I want to shoot at 100.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, he's carrying steel.
When's the last time you were out here?
A couple of years.
A couple years. I look like a biker, man. Look at this. We should be riding our Harleys back, buddy. Mark, what rifle is that?
It's a CVA 350 Legend.
CVA 350 Legend. A little bit more stable on that. So we are hitting high.
Okay, go. You could adjust it down. Third shot.
I'm just gonna shoot with the suppressor on the 350. Ooh, big difference. Try to set this up without breaking my phone. Almost dead on 100. Nice, Mark. Very nice. Yeah.
The silencer off.
It sounds better though.
I'm gonna try other ammos to see how they sound.
And Mark are having a great time. I think we just tore his target up at 100 yards though. That thing's like 3 inches wide, steel target way out there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's the 350 right here. A little bit of feeding issues. All right. Very nice. Yeah, I think you just broke your own target.
Really?
Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna show you guys this. Look at what we did to a steel target. We tore this thing up. Oh my God. Yeah, the indents in this. You can see it just impressions in the back. Yeah, we almost cut through that damn thing. That was a good time. Good time. Six-hour DH3. And you said this is the 350 what again, Mark?
What?
The 350 what brand?
CVA.
CVA. On the Viper HD. Like I said, look at this target. Look at what we did to it. Do some skeet shooting. And what shotgun is that, Mark?
The Browning Lightning.
Browning Lightning.
26-inch barrel, all engraved.
I think it's beautiful. Look at this.
Gold trigger.
It's the first time for me
so-
doing some skeet shooting right here, buddy.
So here,
Okay.
when you're walking around with the gun, you just carry it open. You can carry it loaded and open, but open is considered safe.
Yes, sir.
It does have a safety,
Okay.
but
Just like the Mossberg. Very similar to the Mossberg.
so I'm setting it to under because under has less barrel flip. So for the first shot,
Got it.
it's
Okay.
going to be under than over, but I'm choked skeet, so it doesn't
Okay.
matter.
Perfect.
Nice. And you're
Uh-oh.
going to grab a full box of ammo. Bubbles, ready? Pull. I missed one, right?
You did.
You get one. The first one you miss, you get a do-over.
Okay.